Hey everyone, welcome back to TLB Station. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an amazing text gradient effect using just HTML and CSS. Let's dive right in. We're going to use the background property to apply our linear gradient. We'll set it to a linear gradient with a specific degree and a combination of colors you prefer. For example, we could set it at 70 degrees using a vibrant combination of blue and magenta. Next, we need to make the text color transparent to ensure that the gradient fills the text properly. Now we set background clip to text to ensure that the text extends the background. This allows the background to be clipped to the text shape, making it appear as if the text itself is filled with the gradient. Although there is a webkit-background-clip property for WebKit-based browsers like Safari, you must add it for the gradient effect to work properly on those browsers. As you can see, the text is now filled with the gradient, giving it a dynamic and eye-catching effect. It is really super simple. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to TLB Station for more web development tips and tricks, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with my latest content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.